Hey, welcome back, Van here. Today we're going to do a review on some flossers that were sent to me in the mail. Check out the description box down below. You may be able to find some coupons. Well, they sent me 2 packs. This is the name of the company. iMustech. I'm not sure how to say that. A lot of these companies, I'm not sure how to say the names of their products or their company. Products, I can say dental floss, flossers. If you know me, I've always got a flosser in my pocket. Let me show you. Look at there. Always. I know that's nasty, but daggone it, I don't want food stuck in my teeth. Tell you a story about a guy I used to work with. He would eat sandwiches for work, which is cool. Everybody does that. But when he'd come back, he would have bread all up in his teeth, and ever since then I'm like, I floss my teeth like religiously. If you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. That's why I'm saying check out the description box down below, and there may be some coupons for these. So pulling this out, it's a super resistant and slippery floss, engineered not to stretch, shred, or break. It's got a tongue scraper on it, which is right up here. You see a little edge on it. Plus, it's got a breakaway protected pick and inner brush. The brush is right here, and you see it breaks away, and then you've got the pick. We just got through having Thanksgiving dinner. What's a better time than to try out one of these now? Would y'all like to try out a flosser for a YouTube review? Sure? Well, come right over here so you can get in the camera shot. There's you one. And now look here, Emery. If you see right here, this little edge, that's to scrape your tongue. Like, scrape your tongue. Plus also, if you bend this, then these two will come apart, and you can actually brush your teeth with that and pick in between your teeth with them. So here's yours. Here, I'll slide over. There, you can come in. Noah, hey Noah, you want to do one of these flossers? Emery's going to do a flosser with me. So these flossers are guaranteed not to, what does this say? It's not guaranteed. It just says engineered not to stretch, shred, or break. And it's slippery floss. Oh, you going to do it too? Yeah. Come back here behind us, getting the camera view there. Well, you see here, Noah, this has got a tongue scraper right here, and then it's got your flosser for your teeth, and then if you do this, it breaks away, and then you just twist it like that, and it breaks away, and you got like a brush right here to brush your teeth, and then a pick to pick your teeth. Yeah, like that. Here you go.
That's so cute.
All right, let's try it. Does it have a... I don't taste it. It's got a mint flavor.
I kind of did. I got stuck in my teeth.
It's all-in-one dental floss and pick. Get 90 picks. Now, I don't taste any mint to it.
I kind of did.
How you say that word, Noah?
Yeah. I got yeah.
Yeah, it's yeah, Clean Commodity Company Ltd.
What is this thing?
Well, that thing right there it's got a little. Let's hold it up and let the people see that it's got a little brush on it. A little brush.
Brush your teeth.
Yeah, you can get there. Yeah. Well, see, it's got a tongue scraper right here. Pretty good. You like them?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. You come back. Don't forget to check out the description box down below. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the video.